Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the autoplay feature on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up YouTube, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then you should see the settings cog on the top right, so just tap on there. And then underneath data saving, it should give you the option for autoplay. So you just want to tap on there. And this will just let you know when you finish watching a video, another plays automatically. So all you have to do is toggle that off, and that will stop the autoplay feature on YouTube. Thanks for watching.